Hey, what's up? How you doing? Welcome to another tutorial on iCodeWire. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get 1,000 visitors to your website, maybe your videos on YouTube. Yeah, using Python. You understand what I'm saying? If you have a blog, you can generate 1,000 views using Python. How on earth am I gonna do that? So let's get started. The first thing we need to do is open up our editor, and next, make sure you have Python installed. Then let's start coding. So first we need to do is what? Import a module called web browser. Web browser is a inbuilt module in Python. So I'm gonna save this here. I'm gonna save this as web.py. Alright. So after that, let's test it by doing let's do as wb wb. Alright. So the next we need to do is wb.open https www.google.com. Alright, save this, open up your command prompt, cd desktop /programs cdpy2. I'm going to my directory, so this is my directory here, so I'm going to do python web.py. Alright, you can see boom, we have it open up Google. So now how can we make it open up 1,000 page? Alright, get what I'm saying? A 1,000 page using Python. Right, so let's get started. First we need to do is you're going to use a for loop instance. So I'm just going to look for I in range 1 to 50. I'm not gonna do 1,000. My system is gonna crash. So do this, then we need to just do this. Okay, we can do 1,000 if you like. No, I'm just going to do 50. So go back, we run this. I can see my tabs continue opening. It keeps on loading till it reaches 50. I can see loaded up. I can see this is pretty amazing. So if you want a 1,000 views, you can import your 1,000 range. But note that if you want to do this, make sure you use a VPN. So when you're checking your views, your location will change. You understand? Make sure you have a VPN running already. So once the website continues opening, the VPN changes the IP address, or you change the IP address by yourself. Understand? Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and if you like, share it to other people. Okay, see you next time. Next tutorial. Bye bye.